In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress photos in Google Photos. If your Google account storage is starting to fill up, this is a useful way to free up space without manually sorting through every image. What we're doing here is converting existing photos and videos in your Google Photos library to the storage saver format, which reduces file size and helps recover storage. Just keep in mind that this change cannot be undone, so it's a good idea to move carefully and read each prompt before confirming. To get started, open Google Photos on your PC or laptop and sign in to your account. Once you're in, make sure you're using the correct Google account, especially if you have more than one. Since this process affects the photos and videos already stored in that account, it's worth double checking before you continue. After Google Photos loads, look to the top right corner of the page and click the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. This will open the settings area where Google Photos gives you access to storage related options and account preferences. Inside Settings, find and select Manage Storage. This section shows you how your available storage is being used and gives you tools to help free up space. If you've uploaded a lot of high-quality media over time, this is where you can take action to reduce the amount of storage those files are using. Now look for the Recover Storage section. In that area, click the option that says Convert existing photos and videos to Storage Saver. At this point, Google Photos will show you a prompt explaining what's about to happen. Take a moment to read it carefully. This is important because once the conversion is complete, you won't be able to restore those files to their previous original quality through this option. When you're ready, check the box confirming that you understand the action cannot be undone, then click Compress existing photos and videos to begin the process. Depending on how large your library is, this may take some time, so don't worry if the change isn't immediate. Once the process finishes, you should see your storage usage go down, which can give you more room for future uploads. If your goal is simply to create more space in your Google account, this is one of the fastest ways to do it directly from Google Photos, and that's how to compress photos in Google Photos.